Hello everyone, welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Thursday the 4th of May 2023, approaching midday here in Europe. Let's see how crypto markets have been trading so far today and what have we got for the session ahead. BTC has been recovering quite well since the Fed raised rates by 25 basis points. Initially BTC was seen down 1% after the hike, but then it's since recovered to actually close higher than the previous high yesterday. So we actually had in the end, we had the inside bar breakout with the daily bar closing back above, but now up against that horizontal resistance level of 29,230, which is a pretty significant level. JP Morgan said in a report yesterday that the current banking crisis is a vindication for the crypto ecosystem. They said the US banking crisis and the intense shift in the US bank deposits to US money market funds are viewed by crypto supporters as a vindication of the crypto ecosystem. And this is something that I've been kind of referring to now for since we've seen these moves to the upside in BTC this year. The new narrative which has been built up was pretty much that which JP have said yesterday. We do have a few more numbers out this week. We've got Friday's US employment numbers and the average hourly earnings growth. And of course, there might be another bank failure before then, which could drive up crypto price. This was the Credit Suisse. This particular move here was when Credit Suisse was had been bought by UBS, so it was under a lot of trouble, and then around about here was bought, but was so huge spike to the upside. This entire breakout was on the back of that. So that's what I mean when we discuss that, and we've still seen quite a lot of volatility in the trading so far today in the regional banks in the US. So again, that's probably the dominant theme right now, despite the Fed yesterday. Ethereum 1901, BTC then 19094, both at relatively key levels. Ethereum now looking to break out of the most recent term trend line. You can see we've been discussing this one, and then I mentioned, can we get a break either to the downside of 1790 or to the upside of the descending trend line. We've now got that, and from here what we'd like to see is a run up into the 2000 handle, and there we'll be meeting there or thereabouts the more longer term ascending trend line, and that'll be coming through at around that 2000. So now we've secured the breakout. It's a case of building enough momentum to get us into that 2000 level. Ripple pretty flat, completely unmoved by the events over the past 24 hours. Litecoin very much the same as well. You saw again that slight move down followed by that bounce back, and then today's just been pretty much a non-event really. Economic calendar, because there's not much more for me to discuss at this point. Economic calendar, we'll take a quick look. I've got the ECB, of course. Again, not expecting that to be market moving for cryptos, particularly when everything's already seemingly priced in at 25 basis points hike. Not expecting much else from Lagarde. But of course, it's something that we should just keep an eye on. We do have initial jobless claims today, but again, not highly volatile for cryptos. The highlight will be tomorrow, like I said, with the NFPs and average hourly earnings out of the US. That could have a more larger impact on risk assets. So that's it from my end. I'll see you all inside the crypto chat room. Thanks for listening, and all the best of you trading. Bye for now.